Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the YouTube Shorts not showing problem after the latest YouTube update. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app. As you can see, YouTube Shorts are not showing on the home page or in the Shorts feed. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. So if you want to fix this problem, then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, tap on time management. Now here you will see the Shorts feed limit option. Simply turn it off. And also make sure that both reminder options are turned off. Now go back to the YouTube homepage and refresh the page. And as you can see, the problem has been fixed. YouTube Shorts are now available on both the home page and the Shorts feed. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.